Hello, everybody. Thank you for being a part of Microsoft 365 Saturday Pune 2021. And I guess this is the second event which we are going to in as a virtual, but I'm very happy and super excited to be a part of this wonderful virtual event. And it is great to have this opportunity. And I would like to thank the organizers and the volunteer team to organize this and align me here to share a few things about the Microsoft Viva. That is a new thing has been launched by Microsoft called Microsoft's Employee Experience Platform. So today I'm going to talk about that. And before that, I just wanted to thanks to all the sponsors for helping the community and making this event a grand success. So I know the Rapid Circle and Muhimbi is like everywhere, wherever we have the virtual event or the in-person event. So thanks to both of the sponsors for providing the opportunity and making this happen. So today in this session, I'm going to explore the need for a modern employee experience and how Microsoft Viva can help us in that, and how this new and integrated employee experience within the Microsoft Teams, which can help people to manage their communications, knowledge, how to share the learnings, how to get the resources and insights as part of their natural workflow, and in the apps and services how they use this component every day. So the takeaway from this session would be to understand the basics of Microsoft Viva, like why it is required and what can be done using that, and what are the different elements available in Microsoft Viva. And along with that, I'll explain a quick walkthrough on Viva topics. So I prepared a demo on that, and along with that on how to get license for it and how to set up the Viva topics. So before I jump into that, I just want to briefly give you a better introduction who I am. So my name is Kirti, and I'm Microsoft MVP MCT and working as an independent modern workplace consultant. And I have been doing SharePoint since 2007, so it's more than a decade working with SharePoint. And by trade, I would like to call myself as a consultant and very much involved in the development and learning the new things released by Microsoft. So along with that, I have been speaking in local and international community events and some of the conferences, and I'm very much passionate to share my knowledge in all possible ways. Either it's a virtual event or in-person event or a local meetup group together in the local area. And yeah, that's I evangelize SharePoint on my blog as well. So along with this, I'm also an organizer of Microsoft 365 Ahmedabad user group. And under that user group umbrella, we are organizing such events like uh, Microsoft Global Development Boot Camps, Power Platform Boot Camps, SharePoint Saturdays, and of course, some of the workshop which can help this local community to be aware that what has been released and how they can utilize in their day-to-day work life in along with the professional skills. So if you want to get touch on me, then this is my uh, social media information from where we can be get in touch on that. And so this is the agenda for the day. So well, I'm going to talk about why Microsoft Viva is introduced and why we need that, and what is Microsoft Viva and what are the different elements we can cover up in Viva. And then I'll explain you the a demo with the demo, like how you can set up the Viva topics and how you can get the benefits of using Viva topics. So the first thing is why Microsoft Viva. So as we all are aware and know that the year 2020 was very much challenging, and a kind of lot of change has happened. So in terms of how uh, we work by the pandemics, right? So there has been a lot of change in our work and lifestyle. So in every industry, many organizations have shifted to remote and hybrid work most of the time, and which was exceptional, demanding the agility and flexibility from the people. So most of the times, leaders are dealing with how to make this new world of work more sustainable for their people, along with the organization and themselves as well. So they are realizing that they need a new culture of flexibility that enables people and organizations to continuously adapt to what is next. So this requires these transforming traditional models of work and culture. So hybrid work is becoming the norm nowadays in many industries, and nowadays locations doesn't matter. So from wherever you are, you can do your job. So this requires leaders to put people at the center of everything they do. So to highlight the people in every aspect, they are just putting them onto the center of the everything. So it starts with the needs of individuals and teams, which can help us to empowering them and to take ownership or of their fulfillment, growth, and success along with the organization's benefit. And it also improves the impact of managers through whatever they can learn, support, and protect their privacy insights to create the best experiences for their teams. To achieve this, a fresh perspective is needed, and to achieve that, we have six key elements to a great this employee experience. So first, I can consider as a well-being. So using this, you feel safe and uniquely valued at work and are treated fairly with the self-respect. And the second one is the connection. So you belong as a trusted, integral member of diverse community, and you have high quality relationships with your colleagues, characterized by mutual respect. And the third one I can consider as a focus. So you know what success looks like and what other things to prioritize, and you know when you are on track and regularly receive feedback that helps you improve, so you can increase your productivity using that. And the fourth one is the empowerment. So you can easily find information, people, tools, and resources whatever you need. So you are empowered to make decision about how the best direct your talent and effort, so you can get all the necessary information at the real time what you are looking out for. And the fifth one I can consider as the growth. So you get what you need to maximize your strengths, learn new skills, broaden your experience, and progress toward your goals. And the last one is the purpose. So you are part of something bigger than yourself, and you know it. Like you are now at the center point, and you can get everything what you are expecting from the organization as well as the leaders. So your work serves others and has a meaningful impact. For this, we can say that as an employee, what we want, like employees want to feel more connected, more aligned to their company's purpose and mission. So they should know that what is the mission and uh, the vision of the company, and how they want to grow, make an impact, and make a difference within the company. And as a leader, we can say that leaders need a modern way to engage and develop their employees. So whatever the tool we can use, but the end goal should be uh, the different way to engage, and how you can develop your employees. And as an information technology needs to be able to quickly enable this modern employee experience without having to replace their existing system. It is not necessary that you can just replace your existing system and implement this, but you can have this uh, within the existing infrastructure. So saying that, uh, uh, that's the reason that we need the Microsoft Viva. So what is Microsoft Viva? So to achieve this, whatever the points I have discussed here, well-being, connection, focus, empowerment, growth, and purpose, to achieve this, what is needed is a new approach and a new category of technology solution that is called Employee Experience Platform, or you can say EXP. So to meet these needs, now we have the Microsoft Viva, that is an employee experience platform, or you can say EXP, that empowers people and teams to be their best no matter where they are working. So place is not matter now to work on anything. It helps elevate each employee's experience, how it means that how they are engaging, finding the knowledge, learning new things, and the working model. So by improving the productivity while also supporting different people's well-being in the company, and in that in that way that Viva helps the whole organizations to grow well along with the employees. So what is Microsoft Viva? So for the vast majority of people, it is an employee experience platform that puts in place everything an employee will need, from being onboarded, getting the latest information, and learning key knowledge for your role. So let's say, for example, if employee joins the organization, and from there they can get everything whatever they need using this Microsoft Viva. And Microsoft Viva is an employee experience platform intended to combine various tools for employees' well-being, engagement, learning, and knowledge discovery. So you can use different tools to get this all done. And it is built to augment and enhance the existing Microsoft 365 applications. And Viva promise a new way for team members to stay productive and continue delivering their best work. And the third one, we can consider that Microsoft Viva is an environment built to improve remote work in a world where anywhere work is growing more common. So these are the 3 points I can consider that can help to understand what is Microsoft Viva. And now there are four pillars, or we can say four elements available in the Viva. So Viva integrates Microsoft Teams and the Microsoft 365 solution with a selection of tools for engaging the employee and their experience. So the functionality of Viva is split across four elements or pillars or segments, whatever you name it. So there are Viva Connections, Viva Insights, Viva Learning, and Viva Topics. So all these solutions work together and individually to provide today's team members with a more aligned environment for the employee productivity. And Viva is the all-in-one experience solution that has been designed by Microsoft Teams to empower the modern employee in time of remote work. And it could also be one of the most valuable tools on the market for team leaders who want to ensure the ongoing productivity and well-being of their remote staff members, like managing everything from that tool. So these are the four pillars, and now I'll explain you one by one what does it mean. So Viva Connections. So Viva Connections is Microsoft's solution for amplifying culture and communications in the digital workplace. So it's nothing but a concept of home site. We already know that. So from home site, you can get everything, like all type of communication can be done through that single page only within the teams, and keep everyone engaged and informed easily. That will help us to easily discover relevant news, conversation, and tasks to stay engaged and informed in the flow of work. So as I mentioned that on the home site, you can have the different components on your page, which can explain the relevant news as well as the conversation with different team members, and other announcement as well. And that also helps to curate a personalized and branded employee destination that can connect everyone from frontline workers to information workers, to unite them around the organization's vision, mission, and strategic priorities. And the fourth one I can consider that build on your existing infrastructure. So deploy Microsoft Viva Connections with minimal effort, building on existing capabilities in Microsoft 365, such as SharePoint and Yammer. So no need to use different thing for that. You can just build on top of that. And it provides access to personalized gateway where employees can access useful company resources and internal documents. As I mentioned, on the home site page, you can have the different component from where everyone can get the company resources and internal documents, which can help them to get some information from that portal only. So through a customizable app within the Microsoft Teams, you can supply your employees with all the latest news and insights from your organization as well. And Connections is not just a hub for internal communications and resources, but it's also designed to be a valuable place from where for staff members, where they can visit if they want to get to know their colleagues a little better. So you can get all the information from there. And Viva Connections build on the technology of Microsoft SharePoint and offers everything from employee resource group and the communities to whether it's a town halls, company news, and quick access to recent open apps and documents. So let me explain you that I have already created one one thing for here. So I'm just opening that topic. Yeah, so you can see this is the home site I have created and added into the this SharePoint Microsoft Teams. But here the with the home site, the problem is you cannot have the navigation menu. If I look into that SPS Pune, so we have this navigation here. But if you add this as a website in Microsoft Teams, you will not be able to see the header. So once we have these connections available in your tenant, then you can get that navigation link as well. So there will be one place for the employee to navigate from anywhere within the team. So there is no need to switch to different applications or different things from the to get the more information on that. So that's the purpose that the connection will be very much helpful. So for Viva connections, I can consider that it can include the features like a brandable and customizable dashboard environment, as I just explained that you can have as many as component on your home site or the site or the hub site, the knowledge hub site from where user can get all the information. And it could be easy access to broadcast for team leaders, so they can broadcast anything using that and everyone can get all the information on time. And if you want to share organization documents, or if you want to organize documents and company policies, that will be the place. And a constantly updating news feed similar to social media, whether you are just trying to get the feeds from LinkedIn, Twitter, or some other social media, that could be the place from where employees can get a real-time information. And the resources tab where customers can access useful information. So if you want to share with the customers, then you can just provide the resources link. And it also help the communities and town hall environments as well. So uh, so these are the points that can be considered as a feature which can be achieved using Viva Connections. So that's about the Viva Connections. And the second thing is Viva Insights. So Viva Insights is sure to be an exciting component of the Viva experience in a world where business leaders need help to track their employees' productivity. So this is basically useful to identify the productivity of the employee, and based on that they can just forecasting something, or they can take some decision on how to enhance the productivity and other stuffs. So through insights, managers and leaders can access personalized and actionable information about the workplace. And Viva Insights builds on a focus for greater privacy and employee comforts. So here we can consider that deliver personalized and actionable insights, so that will empower individuals as well as the teams and organizations to achieve balance, build better work habits, and improve business outcomes with personalized and privacy protected insights and recommendations as well. And the second thing we can consider the quantify the impact of work on people and business. So you can gain data-driven visibility into how work patterns affect well-being, productivity, and business performance. So you can get that information from here as well. And the third one, you can consider address complex business challenges. So use advanced tools and integration with other data sources to perform deeper analysis, address complex challenges, and respond quickly to change it. So people will be able to see when they should be making time for regular breaks. And the insights section can also offer information on how teams can strengthen colleague connections. And along with that, managers and supervisors of the team also benefited from This by being able to view trends at an organizational and team level, and this should help companies to make better decisions to support productivity and well-being. So let me show you that too, how this insight will look like when you have something in the teams. So yeah, so in Microsoft Teams, if you click on the apps and then just type for the insights, so you will have that insights apps available in your tenant, and once you click on that and pin it, so it will be available in your left bar of the Microsoft Teams. So I have already added that. So we have two tabs here: stay connected and protect time. So if you want to protect some time, like if you want to enhance the productivity, then you can just mark this time as a focus time, and then you will not be notified with any chat or any response while you are setting this time for that. So that's how they you can enhance the productivity, and because no one will disturb you on that, and you will not be notified during this time, so it will automatically enhance your time. And if you want to set up something for the break time, then you can just type something like break time, so it will also help you to balance your work and social life and well-being as well. So that's how we can use Viva Insights. So if you want to stay connected with someone, then you have some information here, like to whom with you want to connect, and it is pending. So this is the way that Microsoft Viva Insights can help you to enhance the productivity. And for that, I can consider that the features, if you want to consider, so the comprehensive insights for personal workers, then it supports for tracking trends in the wider organization, and a dashboard for combined employee feedback with Viva Insights. So you will have this insights feedback as well. So you can give this feedback from here as well, right? So it will help to help to combine the employee efforts for Microsoft Viva. So, and then actionable advice to improve productivity and well-being. So if you have this something to available in stay connected tab, then it will help to improve the productivity and well-being for the specific people of the team. Then integrations with the third party services that can also be done, and guides to employee burnout and well-being. So if you are not setting up the focus time or the productivity time, then it will not help you to like what number of hours you are burning out for the day, but that will definitely help if you have something added as a focus time and a free time or the break time. So that will definitely help the employee. So interestingly, Viva Insights focuses heavily on not just productivity in the workplace, but better well-being for people working remotely too. So as of now, you know that we are working from home, and we have to manage the work and social life because once you start working from home, then you will not be able to understand, okay, this is my break time and this is my working time. So it will help us to understand and identify the better well-being for people or the employee who are working remotely. So this can be done or achieved using Viva Insights. And the third one is the Viva Learning. So what is Viva Learning? So make learning a natural part of your day. So you can get or have the easily discover, share, and engage with learning integrated into Microsoft Teams. So this is kind of knowledge-based repository where you can get all the information and share with other colleagues of the company, and make all your learning content available in one place. So it could be a kind of a library or some other repository from where micro learning to formal learnings or simplify the learning experience by enabling the delivery of world class content can be accessed by the different user of the organizations. And it also helps to drive results the matter, like empower leaders and employees to curate, assign, and track learning aligned with business outcomes and individual goals. So learning is an important focus area for Microsoft, and something that a lot of companies are investing more time into as we head into the new world of work. So the learning environment in Viva combines all the learning resources that may be available to your learning team in a single space. That could include tools from LinkedIn Learning, then Coursera, Microsoft Learn, EDX, and the content library maintained by the company. So it could be anything from where your organization employee can get the material or information what they are looking out for uh, a learning purpose. So Viva Learning makes it quick and simple to discover, share, track, and even assign a variety of learning experiences as a standard part of the workday. So under this, I can consider there are few features like integration with a range of leading learning solutions. So you can use those and share the learning materials with the organization within the organization, and share and assign learning resources to specific team members if you find that they need to understand this new technology and adapt it. So you can use that and organize lessons just as you would any other content, and that can help them to interact about learning experiences over teams. And you can also create a custom learning tabs with curated content. So if you want to separate out something, then you can also have the Microsoft Teams tabs with those knowledge informations. So through Viva Learning, business leaders can also assign small courses, or webinars and other educational experiences to specific team members based on their goals, like what they want to achieve by sharing this information and learning this, or the leader's knowledge of the extra support that staff might need. So that can be covered in Viva Learning. So I think Viva Learning will be available from April, I guess. So I have not prepared anything for the Viva Learning, but the main concept is you can just prepare a kind of knowledge base hub from where everyone can get whatever the learning content they need, and that will help them to grow within the organization. And the last one is the Viva topics. So as you know that we have the project Cortex and SharePoint syntax already available. So I have been excited about Project Cortex and what it was going to offer. And SharePoint syntax helps with some artificial intelligence goodness, but the knowledge hubs that I saw very really what we wanted, right? So knowledge hub is a kind of thing which we were looking out for from a long time. So the ability to easily share common phrases and have those be easily linked to from across Microsoft 365 was something that would truly enable the sharing of topics. So you can get all the information wherever it is available in terms of topics. So Viva Topics is the release name for the exactly to achieve that. So Viva Topics is all about empowering the workforce with the expertise and knowledge they need, which can help them to thrive in a changing workplace. And Viva Topics helps people to connect to information and leaders around the company, and with artificial intelligence insights to assist with better connections. And it will automatically prepare a card for you with by collecting the information, and you can get whatever you need from the single card only. So it can help to turn content into usable knowledge. If you have the content, and it will help how to make this content in a usable knowledge. So use artificial intelligence to reason over your organization's data and automatically identify, process, and organize the content. So I'll show you that how it can be done using Viva Topics in demo. And organize knowledge into topic pages. So share the refined knowledge through curated topic pages that are automatically generated and updated by AI. So you can create different type of pages. Let's say, for example, if you are working on Power Platform, then you want to share something with the component which comes under Power Platform, like Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. So you can create one topic page for Power Platform and add all the documents which is related to Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and some other reference information as well. And the people who are associated with that component, who is trying to work on Power Platform or trying to learn something from that, so you can share some information with them, and then this Viva topics will create a simple card with all the information for that specific topic page. So I'll explain you that how we can create it and how it will look like when you're searching from the Microsoft search. So make knowledge easy to discover and use. So deliver timely, relevant topic cards in the app people use every day. So Microsoft Teams already has its own wiki feature. You know that we have the wiki feature, but Viva topic goes to another level if we consider as a like sharing something in terms of cards. So that the technology uses artificial intelligence to organize your content effectively and automatically surface the right information for people, ranging from videos, document. It could be anything like videos and documents to contact details for helping professionals. Anything can be clubbed into that topic cards. So Viva Topics can generate topic card from all over the Microsoft ecosystem, pooling all the information from SharePoint, Office applications, and Teams. And the idea behind topic is that when artificial intelligence can pull information from both Microsoft as well as the third-party services, like if you have something in Salesforce, then that can also be achieved. So there is less jumping between apps. So no need to jump between the apps that okay, this information is available in Salesforce and I need to like relate with this SharePoint. So all the information, if you have something integrated, then all the information will be available in one card only, right? So I'll show you that how you can use that in demo, but I can consider like if talk about this features. So feature, for example, comprehensive integration with Microsoft and third-party tools, you can do that. And it can also have some insights into videos, documents, and peoples, and convenient searching functionality. So you just need to create page and go for search and you will have all the information you are looking for. And the improved efficiency with less switching between apps. So no need to switch between apps because you are getting all the information from this whole Microsoft ecosystems. So you can update and enhance the information you have on your topics page at any time. It is not fixed that okay, once you created the page, topic page, and you are done with that, but you can gradually edit the page, update the content. So that can be received or can be add get as a result set when you are searching for that topics. So this could be a fantastic way to make sure that individuals within the workforce are fully empowered to do their best work. And on setup, you are given a topic center. I'll show you that how to get that done, where you can curate the topics to be said. Each topic has its own page where you can describe the topic, add experts, related files and pages, and then other linked topics. So simply it's a central place to find information on that topic. So I'll show you that how it will look like in a demo. So I'm just switching to the demo now. So as I mentioned that first let me explain you that what needs to be done before you are trying to achieve that the topic experience or Viva topics is available in your tenant. So one of the thing that I have heard a few times just after that announcement, that was that not obvious how to get started here, but I can give you some information on that, like how to get a license. So if we consider this, then these are the steps you can follow. So getting started with Viva topics. So first you have to get a license. So it is a free trial for 30 days. So there are two options to get the trial. So you can just click on that link, or you can just open this Viva page and you will get that link to uh, get the trial version for specific tenant. And this the another URL which redirect you to your admin portal, from where you can just enable that and uh, get that experience from the admin portal. So I'll show you that how to get this from the admin portal. So let's say, for example, this is my admin section. I am in this Microsoft 365 admin center, and now I'm going to billing, then purchase services, and then under this we have the products. So just scroll down, add-ons, and search for the add-ons where you can find this Viva topics. Yeah, Viva topics here. So you just click on the details, and it will, if it is not enabled in your tenant, then you just have to go through the wizard. So you can just click on the manage trial or buy, whatever the you like to have this license for that, and you can just have the trial version in your tenant. So these are the steps to have the Viva topics, and in that, and once it is done, then you should have some of the users uh, assign a license to yourself as well as the other users who need to create it and manage it. So when you have the license, to go to your home page, then users, active users. So for now I have two users in this tenant. So once you click on, let's say for example, I'm just clicking on this user and clicking on the manage products license, then click on licensing and apps, and you just have to enable this license for that specific user who can access or have something to be created using Viva topics, right? So this is how you can enable this license apps for that specific user in your tenant, and then you can just save it. So this is all about like how to get the trial version and assign this license to specific user in your tenant. Now, how to set the topics. So once you have at least one license assigned to yourself, so this is the owner and this is the user to whom I have just assigned that. So I have two users who have access for this Viva topics app, and then go to the admin center from menu, files and content. So I have already opened that. Let me go to that. Open that to restore license center, setup, then scroll down, and yes, connect people to knowledge. So you have to select this, click on that, and you just have to follow the wizard. So I have already completed the wizard, but it will ask you a couple of questions to set up the this connection, which can help you to connect people to knowledge. So you can just follow the wizard from here, go to the support setup, then scroll down to the page, and under the files and content you will have the connect people to knowledge, and then you just have to follow the wizard to enable it. So once it is done, you will be able to create your first topic for this. So as a part of setup wizard, you will be asked to create a topic center, right? So once you are here, it will ask you to create one topic center, and once you are done with that, it will be available under the sites. So I have already opened that, or if you want to let's just navigate from here, then go to the settings, then org settings, and then you have this topic experience available here. So click on that. So this is the topic experience, where you can see the fourth tab is topic center. So once you complete that wizard, you will be able to create one site. So one site is already created for this demos called Viva Topic Center. And these are the different options from where you can manage the topic experience. Like the first one is uh, how you want to discover the topic. So we have two options, like select SharePoint topic sources. So you, if you want to restrict with some of the websites or some sites, then you can just use different options available here. So for now, I'll just go with the all sites that is recommended, and that's the default setting. So I will not change that. And if you want to exclude some topics, then you can also use the same thing. Like if you want to exclude topics by name, you can just select this radio button and type in the name of that topic. It will not be available in the result set. So this is about the topic discovery, and now how the topic visibility will be there when any user is accessing this portal. So you are just setting who can see the topics. So as of now, everyone in my organization can see the topics which has been created so far, the topic pages. Or if you want to restrict that some people or security groups can do that, then you can just select that. Or if you want to disable for everyone, then you just have this no one radio button available. So that is for the visibility. And to manage those topics, we have the topic permissions. So there are two options, like who can create and edit topics and who can manage topics. So you can allow different users who can create this topic and edit the topic, but they cannot manage the topic. So manage in the sense they can approve, confirm, or publish. So I'll show you that different tabs available when we are creating the topic page. So for now, I have made every settings like everyone in my organization can do anything, just to explore uh, the 100% functionality available with the topic experience, right? So from here you can also open this Viva Topic Centers portal, or I have already opened that. So once you are in this portal, I'm in Viva Topic Center, and you have the manage topics tabs available. So I have two topics created. One, let me click on this confirm. So one is the Saturn and one I have in the publish. So one is the Viva topic. So here you can see the columns like impressions, then confirm. So for this I have 7 impressions. So and for this it is 41. So artificial intelligence automatically identified the priority and display the information in card based on the impressions as well. So from manage topics you can get all the information. Let's say now we are creating new topic page. So topics will be available as a topic page. So I'm just creating this. Click on new topic page and it will open with this default components. So let's say for example, I'm just creating SPS Pune, and you can have this alternate names. From using that you can also identify Pune event. Just click on this outside of the text box and you will be able to have another text box to add more words if you want to add it. SharePoint Saturdays 65. So you can add as many as alternate names you want for this, and this is the short description. If you want to add, yes, name. This is just a short description. And if you want to add some more people who can access this topic page, then you can just add those people. So I'm just adding one user here which is having this topic experience license. And if you want to add some descriptions here, like I just wanted to make like uh, SME, subject matter expert, and let's say for example developer. And if you want to upload some files here, you can just click on that and you can link some of the files with this topic. So I'm just uploading from the site itself, right? And if you want some related sites, then you can also use that. So I'm using this SPS Pune. Now, the interesting thing is related topics. If you want to connect one or more topics which can share the information, let's say, for example, uh, I have SPS Pune and I want to connect with Saturn, the topic which I already have created. So click on that plus and you just type in the name. So it will try to search all the topics created so far, right? So I have two created topics, Saturn and Viva topics. So I'm just selecting this Viva topic here. So it will give you this kind of connection between these two topics. So from where you can get all the information associated with this one parent and the child, right? So uh, let's add some SPS events detail, for example, and update it, right? So I have one more connection here added. You can just have this, you can move anywhere on the page. So we are done with that, and now I'm just publishing this page, publish it, and I'm just going to manage topic. So one topic in your organization, confirm. So it might take some time to reflect here, but once it is available or created, then it will be available under this tab manage topics, and from where you can just select it, and first you need to confirm, and then once you are confirmed, then you can just review and publish it. So once you are published that, it will be available under this publish tab, and then from there you can search whatever the topic you are looking for. So how it will look like when you are searching for let's say, for example, I want to search for Saturn, right? So in the Microsoft 365 search, you just type in Saturn, and your Viva topic will automatically create a card for you. So this is the card I was talking about. So in this way, you will have all the information. So if I open the Saturn, let me try to search here. And then organization, right? So you see, this is the Viva topic page title I have created. So let me go to the pages, then Saturn. So this is the page. Now this page information is available as card when someone is searching for that topic. So you can see the title, then alternate text, alternate names, what I have added. So alternate name, project Saturn, then this is the short description. So this short description, and from where the page name, Saturn.aspx, and people associated with this. So I have two people here, and what are the files I have linked with this. So I have added one file and the related site as well. So related site is related file is there, and if you click on see more, it will redirect to this page, Saturn.aspx, right? The knowledge network connected, and it also highlight that this is connected to this person. So if it is right, you can just click on yes. Your answer will be used to improve the knowledge network. That will, the AI, artificial intelligence, automatically do some work and give us the better result when we are searching next time. So when I'm clicking on see more, it will redirect this user to that specific page, right? So the purpose is that whatever the content you are looking out for, it will be available on the fly as a card. So let's say, for example, if I'm just searching Viva topics, right? So if I click on here, see more, it's the same thing. That's the same card I've created for the page Viva topic. So when I click on see more, It will give the same look and feel like Viva topics, pin people, then some other information. If I edit this page, so I have connected, no, it is not connected, but I just connected the Saturn one. So on this page, it is not necessary that you can just have this default information, but you can add your own web parts as well. So if I edit this page, click on the plus icon, then you can add as many as web parts you want as a component, or you want to render something which can be available on this page, and user can get all the information for that web parts as well. So it is not restricted that you can just use this default thing, title, then alternate name, short description, pinned people, then pages, and this connection. So you can use anything as per your requirement. But the basic idea is that it will help you to get all the information in the card format, and from where you can get all the information you are looking out for. Yeah, so this is all about how this Viva topics can be useful for the organization as well as the employee who are looking out for some knowledge base or some information which can be achieved from one place rather than switching to the multiple apps or multiple portals, right? So this is all about that. And if you want to have some references or want to learn more, then these are the some reference links I have copied here. So you can get all the learning materials as well as the blogs information from these references. And yeah, thank you. That's it from my end, and thank you everyone for joining. And let me know if anyone have any questions, or if you don't have for now, then this is my social media information from where we can be